Now you're probably scratching your head wondering, okay, yeah, right, Joe said he's going to put his cutting box in right here. He's going to drill a hole through here. How on earth is he going to get the wire from there fished into this box? Because you know the outlets on the back side of the box are top and bottom. And how am I going to get that over there? And I'm so close to this wall here, I can't like drill a hole to the side of the box, fish it to the side of the box. How am I going to do that? You know, there is a way to do it. Do you know how? Well, this is how we're going to do that. We're going to put this cutting box here. We're going to fish that down in there. And look at this. I got another cut-in box. Oh, Joe was thinking, wasn't he? Well, I'm not going to put that, I'm not going to cut in anything. I'm going to put this box right where that existing box is. Another trick you're going to learn, how to take out an existing outlet box, because if I can pull that box out, now I'm going to have a hollow cavity here. I've got a hollow cavity here. Drill a hole through there, fish the wires through there, pull them out, put them in the cut-in box, push the whole thing back in there. You see? Now you know what's happening. Cut-in box there, cut-in box there.